sacred ritual gathers the Gudinians to prepare beloved rice delicacies such as tinubo, kankanin, lubi-lubi, patupat, and sinambong. A portion of these are served as atang to the divine, while the rest are joyfully shared with neighbors, strengthening the spirit of bayanihan. Inspired by this meaningful tradition, we present the story of Eva, a young girl who dreams of one day becoming the mayor of her beloved town. Coming from a farming family, Eva's journey is deeply rooted in hard work, compassion, and unwavering faith in Nuestra Señora de la Consolación y Correa, the patroness of the barangays in the north. Witness how the values passed down through generations, faith, gratitude, and resilience shape Eva's path as she reaches for her dreams, fueled by her heritage and the strength of her community. Witness a dazzling showcase as we unravel a vibrant tapestry of tradition, deep faith, and cultural pride in the grand celebration of the Tikanglu Festival, a tribute to the rich heritage of Santa Rosa, to be presented by the schools of the Northern Tagunin, Berkas Community School, Barakbak Community School, Tampugo Elementary School, and Ligtong Integrated School. Nazaret Norte!
Anang bata, nagumapil na kayat ko di ang balik na ngayon. Tapos ngayon ay iilitan.
Saya tagakalikas na na nakabulak ko.
Uray man namin tayo lang, ikisakan ngitin ka pa na pupos.
Kabaranggayan! Intayon na Braet!
Kasakmun ti masakbayan tayo, kento'y panagadal baby.
now. Wait, wala. Balik ka na sa tatay mo.
Thank you so much.